Are you looking for a new family rig that will also tow your boat? This is the 2025 Volvo XC90. It's in vapor gray metallic and it has a charcoal leather interior. This is a certified pre-owned vehicle with just under 34,000 miles on it. And it has a ton of standard safety features, including cross traffic alert with auto braking for when you're backing up out of a tricky driveway or busy parking lot. When you're driving down the road, the car will actually detect large animals, cyclists, pedestrians that you might not see coming. And if they cross your path, the car will apply the brakes as well. This one is a 7-seater. And if you don't need that third row, there's plenty of space in the back. And even with the third row all the way up, there's a little space for a couple bags. But you can just lift this up, drop that down. And this is cool. These all have, or most of them have, this plastic mat that comes in 3 pieces, so when you don't have passengers, you have protection in the back. And then this is your trailer hitch, so I'll just hit that button there, pops out, clicks into place, your plug is right here, you're ready to go. And then, so it's not a shin buster and doesn't live hanging out of the back of your truck, you can just hit that again, it will release, and boom, et voila. This has Apple CarPlay, Android Auto. The Google infotainment system is pretty slick. Keyless entry, beautiful walnut trim. 4-way climate control. And there's even a booster seat in the middle there that's popped down, but you can pop it up and have a legal booster. The Harman Kardon sounds so good. A little cubby here for sunglasses. Your seat controls. This will fill up your lumbar support, this button here. Beautiful pebble leather. Cup holders. This is the home button that brings you to your home screen, and you can expand your map or minimize your map a little bit. And then the last 2 things that you use, we call these widgets, are here. And then this bar along the bottom always shows up just like this. So you have your overall tile button, you have your heated steering and heated front seats. And then once you're in your climate control, you can actually go to the back seat and turn their seats on as well and adjust their temperature if that's on. Pretty cool. And settings will help you set it up for winter. You get over-the-air updates in these cars in the Google systems, so whatever Volvo's latest and greatest feature is added right to your car. You can do it right from your driveway. So if you've been thinking about it, why not come down and check us out? We are on 9 US Route 1 in Scarborough, Maine. We've got your car. This one is stock number 8416A, and it's available for immediate delivery. Thank you so much for watching. We'll see you soon from Portland Volvo. I'll put the link in the description box below so you can check out all the details. But come stop by. We have super friendly sales associates that are ready to help you. Thank you so much. We'll see you soon from Portland Volvo.